Hello everyone, I am MS Bhagavati Ammal, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Engineering Department, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Our subject code is CS8691 and our subject title is Artificial Intelligence. In Unit 5, we are going to discuss about the topic is Information Retrieval and Information Extraction. First, we go to discuss about what is information retrieval. Information retrieval is finding material of an unstructured nature that satisfy an information need from within large collections stored on computers. That is, information retrieval system consists of a software program that facilitate a user in finding the information the user needs. The documents are like web pages, PDF, PowerPoint, then paragraph, etc. Then information retrieval system deals with the storage, organization and access to text as well as multimedia information resources. Then information retrieval system originally meant text retrieval system. Since they were dealing with textual documents, modern information retrieval systems deal with multimedia information comprising text, audio, images, and video. Then the modern information retrieval deals with the storage, organization, and access to text as well as multimedia information resources. Then the information retrieval subsystem has three major components that are document subsystem, user subsystem, and searching and retrieval subsystem. Then they are designed to serve one or more functions, that is analysis of documents and organization of information, then analysis of user queries, preparation of a strategy to search the database, then actual searching or matching of users queries with the database, then finally retrieval of items that fully or partially match the search documents. Then information retrieval system is a three-step process that are asking a question, that is how to use the language to get what we want, then building an answer from known data, that is how to refer to a given text, then assessing the answer, that is does it contain the information we are seeking. Here I given one diagram, that is information retrieval cycle. The first process is the source selection, send the resource to the query formulation, then query formulation send the query to search, then search is connect with the selection by rank list, then selection connect with examination by document, then examination connect with delivery by documents, then examination, selection, search, that all are given the data to query formalization, then finally the source reselection the all documents. This is the information retrieval cycle. The next one is information retrieval system components. The information retrieval system that are operated text form index words that like tokens, that are stop word removal and stemming. Then index constructs are inverted index of word to document pointers. Then searching retrieve document that contain a given query token from a inverted index. Then ranking score all retrieved documents according to a relevance metric. Then ranking score all retrieved documents according to relevance metric. The next one is user interface manages interaction with the user. That is how the user interact with the system. That will explain about the user interface manages interaction with user through query or document or retrieval system, etc. That are the points are query index and document output, relevance feedback, visualization of result, then query operation transform the query to improve retrieval, that is query expansion using a thesaurus, then query transformation using relevance feedback. Then components of information retrieval. The components are document subsystem and indexing subsystem, then vocabulary subsystem, searching subsystem, then service system interface and matching subsystem. Then here some terminologies are used, that are An AI system look for data matching using some criteria defined by the users in their queries. That is, the language used to ask a question is called the query language. The query used keywords, that is atomic items characterizing some data. The basic unit of data is a document, that is file, article, paragraph, etc. A document corresponds to a free text. Then all the documents are gathered into a collection, that is called as corpus. Here I given one diagram. That diagram explain about the interval retrieval system. Sorry, information retrieval system. Then the information sources send the data to analysis and representation, then go to the organized transformation. After that, the broad outline of an information retrieval system explain about the process of information retrieval. Then next step is matching, then retrieved information. Then finally, user send the query to query analysis, then query analysis send the queries to analyzed queries. The next one is major components of IRS. The main components are document subsystem, user subsystem, and searching or retrieval subsystem. Then features of an information retrieval system. An effective information retrieval system must have provisions for prompt dissemination of information, filtering of information, the right amount of information at the right time, active switching of information, and receiving information in an economical way, browsing, getting information in an economical way, then current literature, access to other information system, then interpersonal communication and personalized help. Next, we go to discuss about the topic is information extraction. First, we go to explain about what is information extraction. Already we saw information retrieval. Now we go to information extraction. Information extraction is the automated retrieval of specific information related to selected topic from a body or body of text. Then information extraction depends on named entity recognition, that is NER, a subtool used to find targeted information to extract. The next, NER recognizes entity first as one of several categories such as LOC, that is location, then person PER, then organization ORG. Then once the information category is recognized, information extraction utility extract the named entity related information and construct a machine readable document from it, which algorithm can further process to extract meaning. Then IE find meaning by way of other subtasks including co-reference resolution, relationship extraction, language and vocabulary analysis, and sometimes audio extraction. Then current efforts in a multimedia document processing in IE include automatic annotation and content recognition and extraction from images and video could be seen as information extraction as well. Because of the complexity of language, high quality of information extraction is a challenging task for artificial intelligence system. Mainly, the information extraction may extract information from unstructured and semi-structured or structured machine readable text. Then this is the diagram for typically for structured information to be extracted from unstructured text, then following main subtask. Then first we mention the unstructured web text. Here we are given some sentences. Then next one is structured sequences, that is the structured information to be extracted from the unstructured web text. For example, the first one is the second sign of zodiac is Taurus. Here we mentioned some sign of the zodiac, that is Aries, Taurus and Gemini. Here the main point, the Taurus is mentioned into the web text. We are extract the information from unextract web text to extract sequences. Then the following main subtasks are pre-processing of text, then finding and classifying concept, connecting the concept, unifying, getting rid of the noise, then enriching your knowledge base. Pre-processing of text, that means where text is prepared for processing with the help of computational linguistic tool such as tokenization and sentence splitting, morphological analysis, etc. The next one is finding and classifying concept, that means where mention of people, thing, location, event, and other pre-specified types of concept that are detected and classified. Then connecting concept, that are identifying the relationship between extracted concept. Then unifying. This subtask is about presenting the extracted data into a standard form. Then getting rid of the noise. This subtask involves eliminating duplicate data. Then enriching your knowledge base. This is where the extracted knowledge is ingested in your database for further use. The next one is information extraction architecture. Here I given the architecture diagram. Then here first the raw text of a document is split into sentences using sentence segmenter, and each sentence is further subdivided into words using tokenizer. The next, each sentence is tagged with the parts of speech tag, which will prove very helpful in the next step, that is named entity detection. Then in this step we search for mentions of potentially interesting entities in each sentences. Finally we use relation detection to search for likely relations between different entities in the text. Then the next one is applications of information extraction. Then applications of information extraction are enterprise, news tracking, customer care, data cleaning, personal information management, scientific applications, web-oriented applications, then citation databases, opinion databases, then community website, comparison shopping, and ad placement on web pages, then structured web searches, etc. Thank you.